So my my pot of curries is completed. So it's look relatively like this, and I had French bread all diced up in, and the curry soup looked incredibly delicious. Okay, hold on. There you go. It looks something like that. Okay, it smells awesome. It tastes awesome, and I'm not kidding you. It tastes so good. And look. So it's the masterpiece, right? It's a little bit of work, and guess what? It's well worth it. Okay, so sample it. My mom ate it, and grandkid ate it. So, right? So here we go. Dip it in that curry sauce, curry soup. Mmm. Mmm. Telling you, it tastes so good. My man, and the carrots itself. Mmm. And the potato, look. Oh. And the meat is a big bite size. Look. It's so tender. Huh? Mmm. You also can make this out of chicken meat. I prefer thigh meat or legs, drumstick legs, because drumstick meat, because it tastes better. It's not dry. Something about chicken breast that when you cook it, it just overwhelmingly dry. So I always use quarter or the drumstick and just chop it up. So have here is the beef today, and it tastes incredible. So, I kid you not. Mmm. Mmm. Well, comment me how yours goes, and let me know if you need help with one-on-one tutoring. I'll be happy to assist you anyway, right? Mmm. Mmm. It's just so delicious. The sweetness in the carrots, the tenderness in the potatoes, and the beef itself. Oh, telling you, it's just so delicious. And then just grab one of these at the supermarket, or you can use the bread of your choice. It doesn't have to be French bread, but I prefer French bread. Or rice or pasta, or just a soup itself would be perfect. Thank you for tuning in. Hey, appreciate you watching, and please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you from Chef Mana, from my kitchen to you. Lots of love.